Sounds good. Welcome to the Airsoft channel. I got a new helmet.
What's that?
Blooper reel.
You could just do a whole blooper video.
You watch. How many people's gonna shoot the dude in the blue shirt? How many do you think?
Me.
I mean, I could, but he's on our team.
I mean, I could like.
He could literally walk up there and then just deactivate the bomb, and nobody would know better.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, like.
Is this thing still recording? Please. Okay. For your own safety and life, GoPro, stay recording.
I can't see you. Where's those dudes in the woods from?
I don't know.
I do not know either.
Black team's just camping up there.
I know.
Hello. We shoot you.
Hello. I'm going to shoot you.
I will shoot you in face. Come here so I can see a close view. Man, it sounded weirder than outside of my head than it did in. Like, come here close. That could be taken either way.
Hold up.
Sauce. Among Us was made in 2018, and now it's popular. What the crap?
It gets popular 2 years later. Okay, I have like a perfect position. I can just see when they're coming right down to the
Yeah. Why don't we surprise them in the woods? No, they'd expect that. You must practice shinobi, like tactics, ninja tactics.
like Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Attack them from angle they won't expect, like the high ground.
Where they're at.
Or both.
High ground behind them shooting in the ass.
Think.
Evil. Being evil.
Yep.
I can't see.
Oh, people are already dead. I heard someone go, medic!
My dick hurts. My dick.
Medic! Medic!
My dick hurts.
I like my favorite part is when Hurt goes, I got shot in my wiener!
I got shot in my dick. Oh, they're dead. Never mind.
Nah. I'm not seeing what you're seeing.
I
just realized I'm out in the open
I
and...
saw a bunch of heads with black shoulders just kind of like walking back that way.
So wait, attacking has lives now.
They do?
We have medics. They're defending. We have one life each.
Unless we get medics.
Well, yeah, unless we get medics, which we have medics. But we need to die near them.
But you said attacking has lives.
Attacking does have lives. We're attacking. They're defending.
We're defending.
Oh, that means they're... I'm so confused.
They're attacking, dumbass. What the fuck? There's something over there. Fuck off. Those are way short. Those are way short.
Short, shorts.
Shit.
I mean, you technically said that in a row multiple times. I'm going to tighten the helmet.
Short.
I think most of the videos just ain't going to be blooper at this point.
This is going to be a whole ass blooper video.
At this point, it's too much work to bleep it out. So might as well keep it in and just say,
a blooper video gets demonetized.
hey, guys, sorry for the language. It's not my fault.
Yeah.
If you get mad, that's your fault.
Fuck your feelings.
What he said.
The dudes in the woods are opening up, so like.
Unhook booger. Erga durga. Okay, we gotta be serious. We're just messing around at this point. Oh, that kid just dropped.
Hey, bro, are you dead? No, this dude on the black building right here.
Who's that?
He's in the trailer. I'm talking about him, not him.
Well, I was talking about him. Hi, I can't see you.
They're the forest people.
Oh!
Hey, yo, what's going on in the forest?
What's the forest situation look like?
Your mom.
It's just him. Okay.
Oh, okay. So what about this dude on the black building? Is he dead?
I think he's dead. Where's our medic?
I don't know.
Medic probably dead.
Yeah, I'm not getting medic.
Me neither.
No, I see him.
It'd be really funny if I just got one of them with a pistol.
That'd be funny.
It would. Hey.
I mean, die laughing if I get one.
Like that. Yeah, that would be funny.
This dude walks out with his hand up. What the fuck?
Did you get him?
Get the fuck out of here. If your hands are up, then get out of here. Oh.
Turn, your spawn's behind you, bud. Hey, bud, your spawn's the other direction. That way.
Oh, okay, come on.
Okay, yeah, come on. Hey, guys, don't shoot the kid in the Nike jacket. He's coming off the field.
I'm going to keep my gun on him because I don't trust him.
Yeah, me neither. All I have to do is sidestep and lean back. Yeah.
No. Stay where people can see you. They're running up right here.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Hey, bro, just put your pistol in your pocket, that way, or your holster or something.
Yeah.
So no one thinks you're like alive.
Hey, you doing all right? You doing okay? Yeah.
What did you say? Did you say his ammo right now?
You out of ammo?
No, he has his sprayed out.
Ah.
That'd be a problem.
Yeah. Poor kid. At least we didn't have to shoot him. I know you're thinking about it right now.
I probably did. I'm just bing. I mean, I probably did hit him when he was like over there. We had no clue what he was doing.
I'm gonna randomly check if this thing's still recording. It's cut off a few times. Oh, it's still recording. 7 minutes in. Nice.
Oh, so we caught all that bullshit.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of here, speedy boy. Guess what? I got range. You don't. Eat shit.
This probably caught that.
Hello, speedy boy. There's one.
Yep. I'm gonna get my head back here because I'm pretty sure I'm in range.
Yeah, you're dying ass dead.
Thank you. I have.
Fuck you.
Oh, hello. Hey, I don't know if these guys in the forest are ours, but they're looking a little. Oh, shoot! Woo! Woo! I just dodged that one. Oh, hit. I'm dead. Avenge me. Ow! That hurt a lot less than what I was thinking. Nice shot. Now I sit. 'Cause I'm a fat kid.
I'll get you, buddy.
Dude, who shot me in the back of the head?
The dumbass with the duct tape vest.
Oh! Nice shot. Are we still going? Yeah, still going. What a lovely day.
Can't see shit.
Yeah, I noticed. I'm still not having any fog issues with this.
I've been green this whole time.
I got shot in the neck.
Sorry. Dude, there's some dude in black team over there. There's a bunch I was waiting for. There's no medic, so.
Oh. I'm just dead here. Not sure if I'm going to catch who's shooting at you, but I mean. Yeah, I dodged one shot and the other shot hit me in the back of the head.
Hey, get ready to run.
I can't run, dude. I'm dead.
Okay.
I got shot in the back of the head.
Okay, well, I can come get you.
We don't have medics.
There's one somewhere. I'll just move you to the back.
Hey, do you guys know where a medic could be? Don't shoot me, I'm dead. Nice star og, by the way. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. I would tell you where they're at, but I'm dead.
Oh my God, none of them called.
Oh, we got some cheaters. Hello there. I got shot in the back of the head. I'm dead. I'm dead. Don't shoot me. I'm dead. Careful. Hey, can you tell them that there's more guys on to my left? Look, if you grab me, you better run. Oh, oh, oh. Air! Air! I'm not fond of what's going on here. I'm in a bad spot. Hey guys, wait to pick me up until, you know, AO's clear. It's not. It's definitely not clear. Hi. It is a nice day. It's okay. Just come back for me later. I'm just gonna get shot in the back of the head again. Goodness, you guys are really pushing this time.
That's twice I almost didn't see you. Give that a shoot.
I'm really tempted to get one of them, but no. CO2 or green gas.
Green gas.
Nice. It's got really good range.
Yeah.
There's the kid that shot me in the back of the head. Duct tape guy. Cool. Oh dang.
Yeah, it is like a hammer. And I love it.
I think I got a few bumps on the back of my head from that thing.
Maybe. I haven't touched your dad with it yet.
It just nicked the top of his head. Just skin it. It just boing. Be funny.
That's right. Like right here, right where there's no plate.
Oh, that sucks. See, I have a little plate, but right here it is pretty open, so it hurts.
Yeah, these are 3 O's in this.
Oh. Oh. That thing would be really good with 3 2s.
Oh yeah. Like I can hit next to this guy over here. They won't know. They won't know. I can see right there. Watch this. There's no beat.
Hey, I got 3 2s if you need them. Oh, you already got them back. Okay.
I have no idea. I have no idea.
I hear you flags. Hit the metal. Hit the metal. Hey, it wasn't me, it's him.
It's so quiet, and I love it.
That was awesome.
I am so mad right now. Why? So you heard me just light them all up right there. I'm over there on the wall. I light them all up there. I'll run it over here. They go push, push, push. I left them. Ooh, 3 kills. Flip it on full auto. Hose them all down.
Didn't call
Maybe
it.
one person.
Oh.
Out of 20.
I'll let you know. I was only like from Thunderdome to around where the crates are. Okay, I'll keep an eye out for it and I'll let Furby and Ron know.
Hey, I got a quick question for you. What's up with the glow sticks?
Yes.
Why not?
To look cool.
The question is, why not?
Yeah, true. Why not channel them into like a little rope and then just go, yee! Hey, Zach, should I?
Huh?
Hey, were you recording? Hey, were you recording when I did the thing? I want to see that. Were you?
Yeah.
You mind if I see that footage?
I can't really pull it out until I get home.
Hey, I got an adapter that goes to, it's like a board that adapts from SD card to USB-C.
Because I want to see how many of those people actually, you know?
Give me your phone number.
Oi. As usual.
Well, I mean,
Everyone calling shit.
I know. There has been times I was really tempted to shoot my own team members because I was on black team. At least I got some of it on video, some of the funny stuff. There's quality
bullshit.
Yeah, there's that.
Yeah, I can just give him my number now.
You know, it'd be really cool. M134 mounted to a golf cart.
or my dude, not the dude. What is it?
I was talking airsoft, but that sounds just as cool.
Well, I mean, they make one.
Oh yeah. Ooh, and then get cheaters with that. Just go. Feast your eyes on this. Yeah, that would put fear into their eyes, and their hearts will sink down into their boots. You know that thing, they do it.
I want to see that footage.
'Cause I remember getting shot in the back of the head with that thing. That hurt. It made me turn around and go, who did that? But, yeah, I've been shot enough by the refs to know which one's been shooting. The one that hurts a lot is always you.
Yeah.
But I do know you guys get some of the best gear and weapons, so kind of you have your own advantage.
Mind if I go look around for it? Yeah, that's fine.
Need help?
Should be fine.
Okay.
I can find the opposite stuff and it works.